Alright, let's get started. So I'm just gonna start my eyes. I don't know what I'm doing. I just moisturized. I found some glitters that I truly do not remember purchasing, so I figured like let's fuck around. Let's just get started. Alright, I need to prime my eyes with a little bit of concealer. And it appears I have forgotten my beauty blender at my apartment, so we're just gonna use my finger. And if you hear snoring in the back, that's just, oh, you can't see him. Beverly, the little Frenchie's back there sleeping. So, enjoy. Okay, so let me set that really quick. I'm just gonna set that using the RCMA No Color Powder. Okay, so I'm gonna do my transition shade right now. I'm using the Lorac Pro Matte palette. It's oldie but a goodie. It's beat up as shit because I've just used the absolute hell out of it. So I'm just going in with a semi-clean fluffy brush. So I'm just using the shades Latte and Pink Mauve, and I'm just blending that into my outer corner and into my crease, just laying that down as a transition. Okay, so now that's done, I'm gonna go in with the shade Burgundy right here, and I'm just gonna do that a little bit lower into the crease. And I'm using a Luxie 207T brush. I'm using like the little mini travel sizes because I'm not at home, so I brought travel sizes. I'm not being particularly clean about this. I'm gonna be cleaning up the edges later with like a makeup wipe. That's why I haven't done my foundation yet. I'm just really trying to like lay it down, blend it out. I'll clean it up later. I'm gonna go in with the color Chocolate right here. And I'm gonna kind of create a more triangle shape on the outer edge here. Adding a little bit of dimension. So I've actually decided I'm going to go in with burgundy all over my lid because I have like a topper that it'll look really nice with. So I'm just going to build that up and really work that into the lash line. And then I'm just blending up into the crease with no extra product, just trying to work that in a little bit more, make sure it's nice and blended. And then just going back in with that first brush and blending it out even more. I'm gonna go in with a smaller, shorter brush and add the color Jet Black into the outer corner just to add dimension. Go back in with the first brush and just blend it into the crease. Then, for the real star of the show here, I'm going to go in with this Topshop single shadow here. It's called Wax and Wane. It's a really nice duochrome shadow. It's got like a purple pink base with blue reflect, and and a little bit of pink as well, pink and purple reflect, pink and blue, sorry. I'm gonna just go in with my finger and apply that to the center of the lid, moving into the inner corner. Q, James Blunt, you're beautiful. Okay, thank you so much. I'm just tapping out here just to blend it into the... I'm going to take the brush that we used with the black shadow and without adding any extra product, just going back in and blending that outer corner and into the crease a little bit, just making sure things are pretty seamless. And then I'm going to take the first brush and just blend it out up here. I'm going to do some glittery looks this fall. I've decided right now, right here and now. Okay, so I'm gonna do the face really quick. Okay, I'm going to start, oh my gosh, I have glitter all over me. I'm gonna do my face, but I just wanna clean up under the eye really quick where there's any fallout and create a nice sharp wing, because that's the easiest way to do things and like live your life. Okay, so I've done part of my face, but before I finish my face, I want to finish the eyes. So I'm going to go back in with that same Lorac Pro Matte palette and start working on the under eyes a little bit. And I'm just going to smoke out the lower lash line, starting with Latte and Mauve. Pink Mauve, sorry. Concealer and everything, then I'm gonna go in with the color Burgundy that we used on the lid and just kind of use that as well. And then I'm gonna go in with the NYX Tres Joilie gel pencil liner in the color Pitch Black. We're just gonna line the lower waterline and the lash upper, you know what it's called, I can't fucking remember. All right, now that that's applied and truly fucked up my contact, we're gonna keep trucking. I'm gonna go in with the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm gonna go in with the color Vermeer. I don't have a flat. I'm truly not prepared today. This is really great. I'm gonna go in with a brush that shouldn't be used for this, but I'm gonna use it anyway because I don't have anything else. And I'm gonna go in with that color, and I'm gonna do my inner corner. And then I'm gonna go in with that same brush because professional, and I'm gonna go with Tempera. And then I'm just gonna do my brow bone. So I'm gonna blend out this lash line a little bit. I'm gonna apply some mascara and I'll show y'all the final look. Alright, and this is the final look. I really love that Topshop shadow. Okay, and so this is the final look. I went and curled my hair so I didn't look like a troll anymore. Yeah, I really like it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. I thought you guys might want to meet Bentley, the one who's been snoring behind me the whole time. This is Bentley. He's a little bit of a nug, and he's snorting so much. But yeah, so this is who's been behind me. Yeah. Please don't lick my lip gloss. So bye guys, we'll see you in the next one.